Hey everybody, welcome to the channel 2 Saw Acres. So this is my wood yard expansion project. You can see I just got done yanking out a bunch of trees with the root ripper. I swapped out, put the grapple back on, but first I got to get out there with the chainsaw and limb everything up, chunk down the timber into manageable pieces. The hardwood I'm going to keep as firewood. The limbs off of everything except cherry is going to end up being goat food, and the softwoods, there is a couple pine, not many, but the pine and all the poplar I'm going to make really big long pylons out of, basically. So right here is an example of the softwoods. I got poplar, basswood, and I think it's a pine back there. Over here, I got my pile of hardwood going, mostly elm right now, some cherry mixed in. So as a good homesteader, you really should take advantage and use everything that you can. Now I'm expanding this area because we're burning like almost 60 face cord a year, between 45 and 60 face depending on the winter. And I'm also opening up another chunk of the property for a horse carousel, if you will, or a horse pasture. It's not very big, but I do have a lot of trees there and I have nowhere else to stack them right now. So I need more space right here. So I'm gonna get to work with the chainsaw out there. Enjoy the video. Appreciate you stopping by. That should do. Just like that. A little sticky out today now it's rained for 2 days. Warmed up. All right, let's start collecting our goat food. Everything's all on that one side of the tree. That's cool. I don't think I did that when I was cutting it, did I? Same thing. Push, 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 roll, squeeze. That's better. I'll have to get a video of these goats freaking out when I roll up there with this load. It's hilarious. Okay. That's a lot of goat food right there, folks. Yesterday was a extremely productive day. Got a lot of space opened up. The brush pile's getting bigger. Now for today, I plan on opening up all these big poplars right here. I really only want to go back to about there and then straight back into the woods. There's really nothing other than poplar in there, which makes it really... All right, so just got the drone up in the air, and you can see basically where the tractor's at, left and right there, perpendicular to the tractor, or like straight out the side doors of the tractor. That's about the line where I started a couple days ago, and holy cow, this thing is working great, this root ripper. So all those poplars that you see right dead smack in the middle of the screen here, that's what we're going to be trying to get out today. And shouldn't be too bad. You can see those are really the only big trees there. All the other stuff around it's pretty small. So there's almost 300 feet up, and really opened up this whole area. It's pretty incredible. Yeah, you can see all the roughed up earth there. That's where I've been working. Really don't need to go a whole lot more. So with this line here, I'm basically going to put a cut in the ground, cut the roots on the outside off of each one first, and then I'll come back and make the cuts going towards the woods on the left and right side of these trees, and that should make it so I can push them right over. Caution you, if you're thinking about doing something like this, especially with big trees, you got to be aware of where that tree is going to fall. I'm pretty confident this tree is not going to fall back at me because I haven't cut the roots on the back side of it. It should fall away from me, and that's the goal. Yep. Give it a little nudge from the other side. I do have a lot of trees behind it. That canopy, I'm betting it's going to catch. That's all right. Then I usually try to grab the root ball, get under it and lift and push at the same time. Since all the roots on my side are basically cut, I usually grab it and rip it right out. Just like that. That wasn't quite the direction I was hoping it would go, but oh well. All right, so it got caught between a couple trees and it basically just limbed the whole thing for me. That is fantastic. Pretty good ball. Fall off. You can do it. All the way, come on. That's one tall ass tree. All right, so the root ripper definitely works great on these poplars. I'm gonna keep chipping away at the smaller stuff, and when I get back to the big one, I'll go ahead and get the camera set back up. All right, everybody, so all the trees that I want to take down are down except for the one big guy out here. I'm gonna get the drone up in the air and we'll see how this root ripper works with that guy. Folks, moment of truth. Since I know this root ball sticks out a little bit further, I'm going to go ahead and poke it with the edge of the blade to keep the tree away from my tractor. Huh. Didn't budge. Okay, it looks like there's a root over here. Goes. Here she goes. Here she goes. Well, overall, not too bad. I think I just broke my headlight. All right, everybody, so the root ripper definitely works. This big chunk of the root that's sticking out right here tore my headlight, broke it right clean half in two. The whole bezel was already broken, so I'm not too awfully worried about it. And honestly, I never use those headlights anyway, so whatever. Something to keep in mind, this is a poplar. It's a much softer wood, and the roots, you know, they break pretty easy. It's not like these elm trees around here, so overall, I'm really happy with it. I got everything done out here that I was hoping to. I'm gonna clear some more area. I still have a bunch more work to do with the root ripper. But hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe. Keep yanking on them bootstraps, and we'll catch you in the next video.